Here we are in the gym for our ab burner routine. It's Saturday, so that's what we do is the ab burner, and the ab burner is 15 1-minute core exercises. It's a Pilates routine. Been doing it for quite some time. I started out doing it this year, or quite early this year, maybe even late last year. Started doing it, and I reduced the intervals to 30 seconds so I can make it manageable and finish them. So, and increased it incrementally for over a course of months. And now we're finally at a minute for the last, I don't know, whether this is week 7 that we're at a minute, I think, or somewhere in there. I skipped it last week because I was out of town, so didn't get it in last week. So we're gonna hit it this week and maybe go out on a walk if it's not raining or it's not lightning too close. Saw some lightning out in the horizon, and I do see it had rained here just a little bit. The concrete's wet, so if it's not raining, or maybe if it's not raining, do some walk outside. If it's raining, maybe do a little walk inside, or maybe just forego the walk altogether this morning. So we'll see what happens. So anyway, welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. Let's get this routine done. So let's hit it. Got the old ab burner done and got a walk jog in. So I did a whole walk jog, a mile and a half or mile and 6/10 or 7/10 or so. And the old ab burner, yeah, the ab burner was good. The lower lift, I just can't hear my watt. I had to, well, I don't know if you noticed, but I finally got the tarp off the fan that works. Took that off this week when I was working on the mower gearbox, and it was pretty swelty in here. So we got the cover off, and get some airflow through here. So I open these windows. I tell you what, it feels good. It feels good to feel that breeze coming through the window. I don't know if you can see the stuff shaking, like the cobwebs shaking down here. But anyway, yeah, that feels good. So we keep that running, and plus it pulls the moisture out if there's any, if it rains and the rain comes under the door or whatever, it pulls the moisture out quicker and gets it dried up in here. But anyway, yeah, I got the ab burner done. Got to the lower lift, and I just, with the fan on, what I was getting to, I can't hear my watch as well. And so I did 20, and I stopped, and I had 5 seconds left. So instead of starting back up, I just finished at 20, which this is good enough. I mean, I'd like to finish and be able to hear my watch. I don't know why they don't have the noise like when I'm wearing my earpieces when I'm jogging. The lap time comes through my earphone. Why doesn't it? I have a speaker going with music. Why doesn't it go through the music? I wish it'd just go through there and ding at me through there so I could hear it well. But anyway, maybe I'll complain to Garmin. I don't know. So yeah, as far as this watch goes, it tracks everything, does everything I want it to, except for even the vibration could be heavier. The vibration and the sounds sounds too weak, and the vibration's not strong enough for me to feel it if I have my hands moving too much, or if it's not in the right position and it's not laying against my wrist right, and I'm focused on my exercise. I don't feel it vibrating. I don't hear the noise. So anyway, that's enough about the watch. That's just the watch thing. I learned to live with it. So, but yeah, ab burner went well. Just that one move I didn't finish completely, I would say, but I could have finished it, there's no doubt. I just wouldn't know when the transition happened, and sometimes, I just wouldn't know when the transition happens, and I think I know what's after that. I think it's the roll up. I think that's what the next one is. So I would have known, but anyway, yeah. And then the walk jog, it was lightening off in the distance, so I went ahead and took a risk. Went on out, did my regular walk jog, more than half a mile out, or 0.75 miles, more than 0.75, good, more than 3/4 mile out, and then more than 3/4 mile back. So it ends up being 1.7 miles or so total. So yeah, doing quarter mile splits, quarter mile walk jog splits. So anyway, that went well. And anyway, we're gonna get this Saturday rolled up, go on in the house and get the animals fed and do all the things. Get my coffee. That sounds exciting. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday for the next transition workout. So we'll talk to you later. You guys have a great weekend. Be safe. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right, we'll see you.